In this video, we'll discuss the commercial data partners that help power the tools and reports you find inside of RPR. As a company, we focus on two main data sets, property level and community level. But since we tie our data around properties, let's first talk about the property level data set. Just like with any building, a real estate database like RPR needs to have a solid foundation. For RPR, this foundation is built on public records, which are brought to users by Black Knight. RPR users have quick access to public records, including last sold details, tax information, zoning, ownership information down to the corporate level, and much more. The best part is that you have nationwide access to every property, which allows you to look for sold comps or create mailing labels. Our public record data comes in two data sets, assessment and recorder. The assessment data is updated annually and includes building and land descriptions such as square footage, zoning, and building quality, while the recorder data includes information around transactions such as last sold price, date, as well as including deed and mortgage records. The data is updated as often as weekly for larger counties or up to every 120 days for smaller ones. With our foundation in place, we then bring in listing data from our partners across the country. Many realtors belong to a local CIE, Commercial Information Exchange, or multiple listing service, most of which are partnered with us. So when you log into RPR, you will be able to see your local listing data merge with the public records, helping to fill in the details. We also have partnerships with some of the national commercial listing platforms, which serve two main functions. First, they supplement the local MLS or CIE feeds with any non-realtor listings in the market that they have collected. Second, they allow realtors to use RPR to search for available space nationwide. Currently, our national partners are Brevitas, CREXi, TotalCommercial, Broker MLS, biproxi, and OfficeSpace.com. Listing data is updated differently per partner, but none is less than daily. Another part of the property puzzle is understanding the current tenants. To help users with this question, we work with SMR Research. They have put together a proprietary database of over 25 million U.S. companies, schools, and other institutions from more than 425 public record sources, all available nationwide for RPR users and found on the property detail page. This data is updated quarterly. As if that wasn't enough information to help a client make a decision, we have our community level data that will help set your listing apart in the market or ensure that the drivers of your client's business or investment exist in the area that they are looking to buy. The backbone of RPR's community data is Esri. They have been consolidating this type of information since 1969 and provide RPR users with the economic, demographic, and spending data, as well as the tapestry segment profiles seen throughout the platform. With this data, you can run trade area reports in order to help a market space, or perform a site selection analysis to ensure that you're looking for properties in an area that will support the intended use. Some of the Esri data has also been converted into heat map layers, which give users the ability to visualize key attributes on a map and share those insights with clients. Our final data partner to discuss is Calibrate. They power the traffic counts also found on the maps throughout the commercial side of RPR. Calibrate uses multiple sources to provide accurate traffic counts, including governments, transportation departments, and Calibrate's own field verifications. Users of RPR can see these counts across the country, and they're included on all property reports. Calibrate provides RPR with an annual data refresh. With all of this data, you can see how RPR can help you set your properties apart and provide the tools you need to help your clients reach data-backed decisions. And be sure to subscribe to the RPR YouTube channel. It's an easy way to learn more about RPR features and tools and stay current on updates and improvements.